Hi, I'm Melissa McGill, and I'm a 5th grade teacher at Haviland Elementary in Waterford. And today we were working on a social studies lesson using the TCI program, which is great because I have a series of slides for the book work that we're doing right now. We were learning about latitude and longitude and how it gives us the 4 hemispheres of Earth, north, south, east, and west, and how when we look at a map that's kind of like a globe, it's been squished out to show us everything. So today's purpose is to try to find an absolute location on a map that's in their book and on the screen at 0 degrees north and 60 degrees west, trying to name which continent is there. So they're practicing their ability to use coordinates on a grid, which is the way that latitude and longitude lines are set out. And we had a lot of fun with it.